All right, looks like we're ready.
Okay. Tell me, how do you go about connecting to Hangout on air? Because last time, because it looks like it's is it linked to YouTube now?
Yeah, it's through YouTube.
So
So
how
you
do
can
you
go
get?
to YouTube. On YouTube, when you go to the Creator Studio that's under the picture,
Okay,
and
okay,
then it'll have live streaming as one of the tabs. And then
okay,
under live streaming, you go to events.
okay.
And then I always go to up at the right hand corner. It says start new live event or create new live event. Um, then I can set it up what time I want, and then what the title is of the event. And then once I
Do you
have
have
it
to
set up there, I can start it from there.
do you have to share it like before? Share it to people Gmail address
Um, no, so you can't. I don't know. There probably is a way to share it, but I just share it.
public.
I start the application,
Oh, okay.
but there probably is a way to share it before.
Okay. So I try many times, but to no avail. So
Yeah, it's kind of
you
confusing.
so you want man for them being to be to be inviting us
Oh,
until
it's
we
not a problem.
figure out a way. Okay. Crystal, she's not in yet. I don't know where she
No,
is.
I don't see her here either. I invited her again, but hope everything's all right.
Okay, so we go to quiz, group meeting quiz lesson
Lesson
7,
7, yeah.
and question number 3. And okay, so rounding is 3 decimal places. Use the normal probability approach to find the combined area under the standard normal curve that is to the right of z 1.358 and to the left of z minus 1.358. The answer was 0.175.
Yep, that goes well.
You got the same.
Yep. Question
Okay.
4. Which of the following will have a
Okay.
smaller standard deviation if 9 observations are randomly drawn from the population? The distribution of the sample means.
Yeah, that's what I got. Additional sample means I got that also.
Okay.
Question number 5. Which of the following result implies that the spread in a sample mean decreases as the sample size increases? It's the law of large numbers.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay.
Okay. The
Question number,
scores on the quantitative portion of the GRE are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 150.8 and standard deviation of 8.1. So question 6. Diane earned a score of 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE. What is the z-score corresponding to Diane's score? I got 1.045.
that's correct. I got the same.
Okay.
Question 7. What is the probability that a randomly selected student will score about 160 on the quantitative portion of GRE? I got 0.148.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay.
Okay. A random sample of 5 students was selected to take the GRE. Their scores were 160, 175, 163, 149, and 153. What is the z-score corresponding to the sample mean of these students' scores? I got 2.338.
I got 4.494.
4.944.
Okay. Yeah, let me go to my Excel.
Okay.
I'll tell you how I got it. They're asking for what is the z-score corresponding to the sample means. It's the z-score to a sample means. I even use the, remember, we was it on lesson 1? We given 3 Excel spreadsheet, quantitative, descriptive statistics. Do you remember that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I actually filled this all these coordinate, all the entire scores from 160 to 150, from 149 to 165 on that spreadsheet, and then it gives you the standard error of a mean, which is...
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about now. Okay.
Okay, and I also calculated according to, because we're dealing with asking for a sample mean. With this score from standard deviation sample means, the formula, which is the formula is the standard deviation, which is 10.05, divided by the square root of the size. Size is 5.
Yeah.
But I haven't submitted my answer yet.
Let's see. Yeah, I get 2.338 with that.
It was correct.
2.338?
How did you get to 2.238?
So I found the mean of the 5 scores.
160.
And then I minused the population mean, which is 150.8.
Yes.
And then I took 8.8, which is the standard deviation, and I divided it by 5, the square root of 5. And then I divided the difference between the sample mean and the population mean by that number.
So you used the standard deviation that was given.
I used the standard deviation that was given at the top. Yeah, I didn't use the standard deviation of the 5 student scores.
Okay, let me see. It's 8. Okay, I'm gonna calculate and see. 8 divided by the square root of 5. So you got 2.571.
You got 2.571?
Was that what you got?
I got 2.338.
Okay, can you summarize again? How did you get it?
Yeah, so so my numerator would be...
Okay, 160 minus 150.8.
Right. And then my denominator was 8.8.
Oh, sorry, I just put 8. Sorry.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that might be where we messed up.
Sorry. That's 2.338, yes.
Yeah, okay.
But then is it correct?
All
You
right.
know what? Let me wait a minute. Okay, we can go on. I will check it later.
Okay.
So where were we again?
Question 9.
Question number? Question 9. What's the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the student in the previous problem? Answer was 0.1801.
Oh, I got 0.0097, but we're different there because we had a different answer on the previous question.
Oh, yeah, let me check again.
So
Okay, let's start to calculate based on this one. The probability, of course. Let me use the applet. Just trying to use the applet and find out quickly. 2.338. 2.338. So a probability is 0.9903.
0 point. Yeah, I rounded it, so let's see.
0.990.
Let me get back to it. I got 0.0097.
Okay, looks like you put all the numbers. Let me see. 377.
Just got an email from Crystal saying she never got the invitation. Let me send her another.
Oh yeah, invite her in the meantime. Okay. You know what? In the meantime, I'm going to submit my first answers and see
Okay.
what you got there.
Okay.
Okay. That's bad. Okay, let's see where is it wrong. Huh? I'll show you where it's got it wrong. You know, you got 2 attempts. It's fun.
I know.
Wait quickly. Okay, I got 4 wrong. Okay, the first one. Question number 3. Okay, was correct. 0.175. Number 4 was correct. The mean. Yeah. Number 5, we love large numbers, correct. Number 6, 1.045 was correct. Number 7, 0.148, correct. Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, 7 is correct. Number 8.
I
8, I got it wrong. So you were right. 8, I got it wrong.
so hello.
Hey,
You
Crystal.
Hey,
hear me?
Crystal!
Yeah.
Crystal, where were you?
Well, to start with, I took a little nap because I've been sick and my alarm didn't wake me up, so I raced up here and then I saw nothing in my email. And I'm
Yeah.
like, I didn't see anything about the meeting, so I was trying to hunt down and figure out where it was.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah, I
Right
sent.
here.
I don't know why it didn't get to you. I sent it at. Yeah, it says it went to you, but I don't know what happened.
Yeah, because
Hey.
you sent it to my email, the one that I just sent you asking you.
Yeah, which one did you send that? I sent it because I was sending it to your Gmail one, I think. Yeah, and you just emailed me on the BYU Idaho one. Sorry, I didn't know.
Okay. Well, I even went to my I even went to trying to figure things out with the Gmail. Maybe it's actually in the Gmail.
Yeah, that's the one I was using.
Oh, there it is.
Sorry about that. I didn't know you were using.
There's a whole bunch of things in there, and I'm going, oh, okay. And no, Don't get sick. It's not fun.
Oh man, I'm sorry you're sick.
Takes away the brain power.
We're
So,
going through the
how
lesson
far?
7 group quiz.
7 or 6? Have you guys
We
did
did 6
6?
already, yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. Well,
It's never too late. You can still catch us.
what's
The,
that?
the bus is about to leave, so you can still catch the bus.
You. So let's see. Catch up. So how far have you guys gone on 7 then?
Okay, we can restart again.
Yeah, we can
Because
start
I
at the
did some.
beginning of 7.
So. Hey, so how far did you guys get on 7? You guys just get started on it then?
Yeah,
Okay, we can get started again. We can start again afresh.
Okay. Because I thought I heard you guys say something about question 6 or something.
Yeah,
No, question 6, the answer
But
was 1.045.
Yeah.
so let's see.
But what is what?
Hang on. So did you?
Question-
So you said something about you got one of them wrong?
Yeah, I did submit, and then because we have 2 different answers, so I have to submit, and one was wrong. So I'll tell you which one was it. Tell you which one. It was question number
It's question
number 8.
Yeah, 8.
That was that's from quiz number 6. Then
Question number 6 was 1.045. Question number 7 was 0.148.
hang on here. So how far on the group quiz for 7 did you guys get?
We're up to.
What question?
I think we went up. I think we went up to 10. So now we went back again.
Yeah, we got up to 10, but now we're going back because question 8, I believe. That's where we had.
I had to redo question number 8, which was 2.338. Huh?
Yeah, that's the answer is 2.338. Question.
Okay.
Is that what you got, Crystal?
So what?
Crystal, can you read question number?
Yeah.
Read question number 8.
Yeah. A random sample of 5 students was selected to take the GRE. Their scores are 160, 175, 163, 149, 153. What is the Z-score corresponding to the sample mean of these students? Round to 3 decimal places. Okay. So you guys got one answer that was correct and one answer that was wrong, or you got you'd not.
I got the wrong one because I did submit
Okay.
my answers. It was wrong.
Okay.
I
So
have to redo the exercise, and I got 2.338, just like London. Which one you get?
Yeah, I got 2.338.
okay.
We can calculate now and see what you get.
Yeah. So what did you get? I got 2.338.
Yeah, that's what we got as
Yeah,
well.
that's correct.
And that was correct or wrong?
Okay.
That one's correct.
Oh, okay.
Question number 9. So we just apply to the applet, and I'm getting 0.9903 as area. Is that correct?
Okay, what is the problem?
But I see London, you got something different, 0.7.
Yeah, I got 0.0097.
0.009.
Um,
Because if you just apply, okay, let me go back to the applet. 2.338 is this score.
Yeah,
mhm.
so it's everything greater than just on the right side, so everything greater than the positive.
Oh, I see. It's 0.0097.
Yeah, there you
Yeah.
go.
0.0097. Yeah, this exercise is one must be very careful, huh? Because the question is quite clear, asking the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the student in the previous problem. That is greater. So if you look at the applet, okay, let me see. Oh, yeah, that's correct. 0.097. But it's quite funny. Should the answer be in minus 2.238 and get less than, it should have been the same result. How come?
If what?
If the result was, if the z-score was minus 2.238 and the answer has to be less than the z-score, it should be the same probability as well. 0.097.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one has to be very careful. Okay, so we move to question number 10. London, can you read it?
Yeah. Suppose the mean GPA of BYU Idaho students is 3.5. The standard deviation is 0.7. It is well known that this distribution is left skewed. A random sample of 81 students will be drawn. So question 10, what is the shape of the sampling distribution of the random variable mean, which represents the sample mean of 81 students who are selected? I get approximately normal.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be approximately normal because of the central limit theorem.
Yeah, it's got a large number of samples,
Okay.
so it'll be approximately normal.
Okay. Now, question number 11.
What is the mean of the distribution of the sampling distribution for all possible samples of size 81 that could be drawn from the parent population? Okay.
It's the same number.
Let me read that again.
Please.
It was like words, yeah, all next to each other. Didn't compute into anything in my brain for the moment. What is the mean of the distribution of the sample means, the sampling distribution, for all possible samples of size 81 that could be drawn from the parent population?
So what do you think?
So, what is the mean of the distribution? Let's see here. Where's the information it gives us here? Be 3.5.
Correct. Correct. Question number 12. What is the standard deviation of a distribution of a sample means for all possible samples of size 81 that could be drawn from the parent population? The answer is 0.078.
That's what I get to.
Okay, hold on there. What do you say? It says what?
0.07. So it's 0.7 divided by the square root of 81.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so question number 13.
See, what is the probability that the mean GPA for 81 randomly selected BYU Idaho students will be less than 3.3? I got a 0.005.
That's correct. That's what I got as well.
Excuse me.
So with this score, it's minus 2.571. So apply to the applet, you get that amount. That's a probability area.
So on 13.
So
I'm not sure if I messed up or what, or if I'm just.
Okay, your mean is 3.5, your standard deviation is 0.078, and your sample means okay 3.3. Now
and
then your z-score will be minus 2.571.
Be less. Okay, so
then you have to apply it to the applet.
Okay.
Question B.
So for question 13, because you guys got ahead of me for
that will be less than, so on the applet, less than to the left of minus 2.751 as a z-score, and the area will be 0.0051.
Okay, okay. Good, that is what I got. I'm just going, wait a minute.
Okay. Now, question number 14. What's the probability that the mean GPA for 81 randomly selected BYU Idaho student will be greater than 3.3? So in this case, you just greater than, so you use the same z-score on the applet.
Yeah.
On the applet.
So it'd be.
So otherwise, it's use the rule of a probability, it's 1 minus
Yeah.
our previous answer, it's 0.095. No, it's 0.995.
So,
Sorry.
Yeah.
well, it
995.
says that,
It's
okay.
1 minus our previous answer, 0.995.
So less than 3.3 was 13, which was the 0.0051. And then
40.
greater than 3.3 would then be 0.9949.
0.995. We rounded to 3 decimals.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Decimals.
Okay. Rounding it to 3. Round to 3. Okay. 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 Alrighty. Oh, one left, and then I get to review. So, okay. You want me to read this one? United States Coast Guard assumes the mean weight of passengers in commercial boats is 195 or 185. The previous value was lower, but was raised after a tragic boating accident. The standard deviation of passenger weights is 26.7 pounds. The weight of a random sample of 48 commercial boat passengers were recorded. The sample mean was determined to be 177.6. Find the probability that the random sample of passengers will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme, either above or below, than was observed in the sample. So find the probability.
This is quite tricky. I got it wrong actually. I did submit mine, and I only used the below the mean. The question is, I want to see what you got there. So what did you get? 0.055.
What I got.
More extreme or less extreme. So for the probability, what did you get?
I got 0.055.
Okay, this was my second attempt. The first attempt I only used the left extreme, which was 0.025, and it was wrong. They said it was wrong, so I had to consider the other one. So now, what are you saying? London says 0.055.
Okay, I'm coming up with 0.027.
It's a wrong answer. I also did that one the first attempt.
That's
submit
wrong.
mine.
That's wrong.
Yeah, because you know why? Because it's only, they're speaking of two extremes. So that's below the mean.
So they're
we need to
saying,
consider
okay,
above the mean.
So
So 0.055 might be the answer. I don't know, guys.
have
If you
it
check, what are you getting?
extreme or more extreme. So Landon, you're saying that it's that what they're asking for is above and below,
Yeah.
and that's how you're coming up with the 0.055.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the applet.
Yeah.
Did you submit yours? You get the same thing? Is the correct answer?
Yeah, I submitted mine. That 0.55 is correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you get all answers correct, London?
I did.
Okay. Just wanna check here where I got it wrong last time around. So
You have no idea how bad I want to say a needle pulling thread.
did you get it right?
Sorry. You said so, and I'm going a needle pulling thread. I do that to my
Which
kid.
one?
No, that is, it's from um oh, see, I can't even. Oh man, it says from the song from musical. Yeah, I can't even think straight with that. I don't like being sick. This is not fun.
What's wrong with you? You got a cold or flu?
No, I'm pretty sure I had the flu. My daughter gave it to me.
Is it pretty cold over there now in America, in the area?
It's a really nasty thing that hits hard and fast and wants to settle into my chest and make it hard to breathe and horrible cough and head hurts, and I still am driving my school bus. So, but okay, so you guys did fine on 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 then.
Yeah, we can go over it if you want, though.
Okay, so well, 3 looks like it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah, the hardest ones started with 8,
0.358.
so
Point eight. Whoops. So use a normal probability under. So I come up with 0.826 for number 3. Is that what you guys had?
I got 0.175.
Or am I not reading it correctly?
So I just put the z-score of 0.1358 and negative 1.358 into the applet, and then everything to the left and to the right of those is the area.
Okay, so they wanted above and below. That's where I was. Okay, so 0.175 then.
Yeah.
And then number 4 was the second one, distribution of a sample means.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Number 5 was the law of large numbers.
Hang on here. I need to read the question so I know what I'm answering.
Okay.
Standard
Future following result imply
nine,
that
if 9 observations are random. So you said that for number 4,
It's below.
the distribution of individual observations,
No, it's wrong. It's a distribution of sample means.
it's the sample means.
Yeah. Which of the following are the small? Okay, I'm not quite sure why I'm not grasping that one. Question
It's
4.
actually in a course. It's in a course. On that.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm not. I'll have to go back and look at that one. So let's see. Sample size increase. And for number 5 was the central limit theorem. No. Which of the following results implies that the spread?
Number 5 was a law of large numbers.
Okay. Yeah, I'm still trying to separate those two. Of course, they tell us that in the thing. The hardest thing to do for students, yeah, especially when I was not totally awake to begin with. Oh. Okay. Thank you for going back over these with me.
No problem. I'm going to go ahead and stop the broadcast.